Okay, before moving forward to connecting your data and analyzing, first we will try to understand how these data things like what are the types of data we will have. There will be two things when it comes to the data. Okay, either it may be in a series or it is in a data frame. Okay, when it comes to the pandas, we will have a two types. One is a series, another is a data frame. Series is nothing but a one dimensional. Okay, series is nothing but a one dimensional data, means only one column we will be have. Okay, and when it comes to the data frame, that is a two dimensional, means rows as well as a two dimensional, means rows as well as columns. Okay, rows will be there so many, and columns here only rows will be there, only one column we will be having. There is a series we say. Now, like how it will be, we can check that. Okay, how this will work. For example, I say, I just import a pandas. That is not import pandas. Okay, I just want to use like what happened when I import just like the name itself, pandas. Then what happened, I need to type every time pandas. For example, I say data series ds, or I give one a equal to, okay, I will be having some numbers 12, 23, 45. Okay, like this I have a numbers. Okay, this is a list type. Now it is in a list, you can see. Type of A is in a list. Now I need to convert that into the pandas series. How can we convert into the series? I say data series, name for that. Then pandas dot, we have capital S for that series. Okay, capital S series. Then I feed that A. Okay, the list I will feed in the A. Now if I check ds, you can see it become a series, right? All are in a series. I can check ds dot d type. It says integer type, it is data type within that. Okay, but it will be in a series. Okay, it will be in a series. Okay, I use a type of ds. Yes, it says that pandas core series it is, right? So series is nothing but a one dimensional. You can see ds is a one dimensional. We have only one column and all multiple rows. Okay, this is a one type of data it will be. And second thing, to call this one we are using pandas full thing we need to use, right? Instead of that word, we can do, we can say import pandas as PD, short form, any name you can give. I just give a short form called as a PD, pandas, like synonyms, right? Pandas, PD. Like if I give, now you can use PD dot series. Okay, there I can PDA, right? I can store this one in a DS1. Okay, like this we can data series one, like this, right? So same thing, like what I have done, instead of importing its full name, I just made it as a short form of that library name by saying a as, right? Similarly we can import other libraries also, like I say import numpy as np, means I'm short form of the numpy as a np I have been taken. Okay, like this we can import the any library in the short form also. We will learn that when it comes. And now we are discussing about a pandas. The one thing we have discussed about a panda series, very simple. Series is nothing but a one dimensional data, only one column, multiple rows it will be there. In coming session we will discuss about a data frame. This is what we will use, means our data will be always in a, not in a series, It will always be in the form of the um, full this one, right? Like data, like rows and columns, both will be there. So data frame will be the important one for us. So we'll show you that how what are the different way of constructing a data frames in a coming sessions.